Hi guys, good morning. I hope everybody is having a blessed day. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. I hope when you're here, guys, we are in Ghana. Yeah. I am in Ghana. Alright guys, so I just came to Ghana. I am still in Accra. I haven't left to Kumasi yet. I am going to be spending a couple of days here in Accra, and I'm loving my apartment, guys. It's so beautiful and I'm really enjoying it. So right now you saw me get up from bed and I went and cleaned the living room and everything. So now I am in the kitchen. So I am going to try and make some breakfast for my dad and for me. I'm trying to keep my routine for my weight loss back home in the US. So I'm trying to keep the same thing. So while we are here, we are going to make some chibom kosua and tea for my dad, and the rest I'm just gonna drink tea like my normal. So I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned, don't go nowhere, okay? That's it. Okay. Alright guys, so those who haven't met my dad, this is my dad right here behind me. For those who haven't met him yet.
I'm here this morning.
This is my dad.
OBAAPA.
We are in Accra.
We are in Accra, Ghana, precise. And we are in kitchen, you know. I'm also helping her to cook a breakfast for us. Thank you.
Alright guys, so let me just get the water heated up and then yeah, we'll be back. So let me try and do it. But I have some eggs right here. Like I said, I'm going to make them. And you know, Ghana, they love Lipton. So this one is just gonna be for my dad. I'm not gonna drink this Lipton, just for my dad. And as you can see here, we are in Accra. So the bread. Yeah, so we are going to fry this and yeah, I'll let you guys know along the way. Okay, this is my morning routine. Good morning. It is my sister. I'm We're gonna make the eggs right now. So my dad, they like the onion and the eggs, so I'm just gonna cut onions. Right up. There's a double cover. Yeah, you did. Let's look at it.
Yeah, let me cut it for you.
Be careful, this is a bit work for him now. That's simple now. So you go out or you go from me soon? Yeah. Adam.
And I'm in more.
Wait a minute. This is a show I'm making. Alright guys, so I'm going to use Lipton right here. So, you know in Ghana all they use is just Lipton. And I have some hot water on this side. See, this Lipton. How do you?
On said left, long the ever.
Let that catch it. And I'm kind of action.
What's the name?
And Chinese, Opa, so meeting be a free activity scene.
I told me
One year for so much.
So now I am ready and we are about to head outside. We are going to town to get one or two things. So that is how it is. And my dad just came. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. So I am still here in Accra. I will be staying here for a couple of days and we're going back to Kumasi where I am based, my hometown. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all soon. Bye bye. Hey, you good.